hear that Teguer intake really growling. She loves it. I thought I'd better explain where Max Power Millsy is, or isn't. He's not here. My old partner in crime, social distancing and all that, means I can't have him in the car coughing all over me. It's probably a good thing though, because this is my review of my car. He's going to do something else on his M3, which will probably be a snooze fest, so sorry about that. But yeah, these are the two cars that are going head to head in the Max's project car build off, my new EP3 Type R and his E46 M3. So usually when he talks about that car, he starts waffling on about how it's some amazing pure driving machine, yada, yada, yada. And he thinks it will probably quite easily beat the EP3. Now, on paper, you'd think, yeah, the M3's got the power, it's got the heritage, it's got the might of the M division behind it, but these EP3s, man, they're so tunable. There's so many cool parts from on the aftermarket. So as long as I bought a good base car, hopefully I have, otherwise it's £5 down the toilet, and I think we can tune it in such a way that it's going to beat the M3. And that's just going to be an iconic moment, because everyone loves to see the underdog win. The little black EP3 pounds the E46 M3. Wouldn't that be a joyous moment? Anyway, that's a long way off yet. I've got to build this baby up, I've got to tune it. In the meantime, I'm going to give her a first good C&2 on the back lanes. Now she's all serviced up, ready to go. Let's do this. Oh yeah, and while I remember, quite a few guys in the comments from the video we did introducing the car the other day, they're saying, well, what about the full spec? You know, what's it got on it at the moment? And I haven't had time to like shoot some nice pictures or write a story about it yet for maxes.co.uk. So spec off the top of my head, 2.4 bottom end, K20 head obviously, Teguer stainless steel manifold and full exhaust system, Skunk Racing intake, 70mm throttle body, Teguer Group M style carbon inbox. It's got some sort of beefy clutch on it, which is like an on-off switch, but it's all good. It takes the power, so that's nice. It's got the diff in it. Gearbox has been rebuilt. Standard suspension. That's shocks and springs. Standard wheels and tyres. Standard brakes. Standard bodywork. It's got a nice system in it though.
They make your face like a target and close your eyes when I hit it. You're screaming with fear, brothers with fear that you're screaming. You're waking up in a sweat because rain is giving back.
Like a double bin touchscreen Pioneer head unit, and it's got a JBL 12 in a box in a boot, JBL 5-channel amp, some JBL 6x9s, 6x9s baby in the rear parcel shelf. And it's got some component speakers and tweeters, so yeah, it pumps, man. It's nice, you know. I'd have bought the car without a stereo, but no, it's got some pumping tunes in it. It's sweet. So yeah, you know, pretty standard car on the outside. It's black. Bodywork on the whole is good. Needs a good polish up. Front bumper needs a respray. The bonnet's got the stone chips on it from like, you know, thousands of miles of driving, but you know, it's got 140k on the clock, although the engine's about 30k old. But yeah, it should all clean up nice. Might get the front bumper and the bonnet wrapped just for now until I can like sort out a paint job. But other than that, nice straight car. You definitely need suspension and what have you, although on the initial driving that I've been doing on this, standard suspension feels pretty good. The dampers are obviously working alright, the springs, you know, they're nice and firm without being crazy firm, but it definitely needs to be lower to look cool, and it definitely needs some new wheels and tyres. I also chatting to the guys at Teguer about some other bits and bobs that we're going to need going forward, like, you know, suspension and brakes and what have you, but yeah, the shopping list is long for that stuff. But I thought I'd give it a good test today, give it a good thrash on my favourite back lanes, and kind of feed back to you guys, you know, what she's like. You know, what she's like is an almost standard car, albeit with a, you know, K24 in there. And yeah, so far she drives nice, doesn't rattle too much in the wrong places. Aircon is cold. This is the only car I've had with aircon that works. Check that out. I bought a car with aircon that works. So yeah, so far so good, but let's see how she stacks up on the back lanes with plenty of revs and a little bit of a pasting. Got it, had it all serviced up and ready to rock. She's feeling good, she's all warmed up. You've got to warm up these VTECs, they don't like to do it cold. So yeah, these are the lanes I use when I want to have some fun. I know them like the back of my hand. So here we go. Second gear in. Woo. Pretty jazzy. Standard suspension still. modifiers. But it's not crashing around or anything like that. Lorry in the middle of the road. It's giving me sweaty palms, which is always a good sign with a car. If it makes your palms sweaty, you know you're enjoying yourself. Third gear, picking up. I've got to say, the extra 400 cc's from the 2.4 litre bottom end makes all the difference. 25% more torque on this car, which is loads, right? And it just means you don't have to really wring its neck. I mean, obviously it's a VTEC, so you kind of got to wring its neck. It's rude not to. That's what they love. But it just gives you a few more options, you know? The clutch is pretty heavy, but it's uprated. Sounds pretty angry as well. Back then, which was a bit of a worry, but we'll be changing those soon. Got some PBS pads on the way. Going to stick them on OEM calipers for now, and OEM discs, but with abraded lines, I think is the plan. Just initially, just to like get an upgrade going, which isn't too expensive, and then just settle into the car a bit more. Jazzy. The brakes, definitely going to get them new brakes ASAP. Very nice, yeah, loving it. Millsy, you're in big trouble, son. I don't think even now, I don't think his M3 will keep up with me. This thing is so much lighter, handles great. It's just got the grunt now that it needs. I just think even like 20, 30, 40 horsepower down on the M3 as it is at the moment, with the lightness and the agility, I just think down the back lanes this would already be quicker than Millsy's E46 M3. I know he's going to be livid, I know he doesn't want to hear that, but I just think it's true. I've been out with Millsy in that car, he's a good driver, he gives it the beans, but this thing just feels rapid, man. The way that power builds is, you know, 6, 7, 8,000 RPM.